That actually looks pretty clean. You can see here I actually got it lined up pretty good. So what we have to do, Lucas, is we have to sit right there.
All right. Nice.
Looks nice, huh?
Yeah.
Right, well,
Good.
I'm going to tack the other side. And then I'll go ahead and throw my weld on. Okay, that's the daddy tack. Okay, both sides.
Yep.
Both sides are welded now, so I'm gonna go for it. Probably take me 5 minutes or something. If you want to watch,
Yeah, I'm down to watch.
you can put that mask on and you can kind of see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So for this one, I'm gonna try the trickiest weld first. I think actually.
Yeah.
There's a big gap on the top right here. It's about a 1/16 of an inch. When you're working with this kind of stuff, like, you're gonna have to compensate for that. So I would say, if you're a new welder, buy something, because you won't be able to fill that gap and have it be strong. So I've been welding for a couple years now, and I am pretty sure I can fill that gap and get a strong weld. But if you can't, buy something that's perfect, because you're not gonna get your ends to be square on this case. Alright, so Lucas, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to do this top edge. You can actually get... tricky filling the large gap because I'm melting the small tube. This is a thicker tube, and I'm actually glad the guy bent it like that.
Yeah.
But that's a tricky gap right there. So you can hear that tube burning through a little bit. That's because I didn't have it pointed in the right spot. It's super hard to do it upside down when you can't see shit.
Yeah,
This side is going to be good though. Did you see any of the process, or?
Yeah.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to fill this gap down here. It's kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
This is the hardest one right here. Final pass. There it it is.